Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to activate your BNZ debit card. Once you receive your new card in the mail, open the BNZ mobile app or log in into the internet banking. Then go ahead and go to the card section in your account's dashboard, select the new debit card and choose the activate card. Then you may be asked to confirm your identity using a security code. After activation, you may need to complete your first transactions using your PIN and an ATM or store before contactless payments are enabled. Make sure you set your or confirm your PIN if required. Once activated, your BNZ debit card is ready for use. That's how to activate the BNZ debit card. Subscribe for more quick